Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll quickly guide you through how to update your bank details on Deliveroo. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and search for Deliveroo Riders UK. Click on the first result you see. Then tap the three-dot icon at the top of the page and choose the support option. In the support section, type "bank" into the search bar and hit search. Scroll down until you find the question about changing your bank details and select it. After that, click on the form link provided. Now fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Next, respond to the required question and submit the form. That's all there is to it. If this helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates.